We join spokes together in a wheel, but it is the center hole that makes the wagon move. There's a series of 12 practices that correspond to Primordial Qigong. They're very gentle, but very powerful, and that's part of the draw. Hunyuan means the primordial state of being. When we practice Primordial Qigong, we can hold in mind a concept of wuqi, which is emptiness, but also wuqi is a fullness. There's a paradox there. Qigong and the practices we do really are about seeing ourselves as both of these simultaneously, never kind of picking apart and thinking that we're separate from this unity or this undifferentiated whole. When we do Primordial Qigong, it's to touch into this interplay. It's to touch into our original primordial state that is in flow and in change, but also inclusive of this relationship between the two extremes of our life and then the balance of the wholeness of them. In understanding yin and yang, it is to see that they're never static. The concepts and the power and the energy is dynamic, and it's constantly being and becoming. The reason I practice is to embody some of these concepts and figure out ways to bring intentionality to words and the philosophy of nature. If you look for the truth outside yourself, it gets farther and farther away. Today, walking alone, I meet him everywhere I step. He is the same as me, yet I am not him. Only if you understand it in this way will you merge with the way things are.